Hello, I'm Dr. Girish B Navasundi, Director Interventional Cardiology and Structural Heart Disease at Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. We have started the campaign called Heartfully Restore the Core. Means we need to keep the core of the human being, that's heart, at its best. With this endeavor, we have started this campaign to make our elders in the community, especially as one ages, the body starts degenerating, more so in the organ which works the hardest, that is the heart. Most of the people in the community are aware of conditions such as heart attack, heart failure, sudden cardiac death, but most of them are not aware of a condition called structural heart disease, which is acquired. That means to say, as one ages gracefully, the structure of the heart starts degenerating, primarily the valves, such as aortic valves, mitral valves, tricuspid valves. These valves, either they become severely narrowed or stenosed, called aortic valve stenosis, mitral valve stenosis, or they become leaky, called aortic regurgitation or mitral regurgitation. If these conditions are not recognized in time, can lead to worsening clinical condition, physical ability, repeated hospitalization, and premature death. It becomes very important for you to start looking at yourself from this new perspective, eye towards your structural heart status. Towards this, we have started this campaign to make you aware of structural heart issues if you or anyone in the family has, and how do we prevent it, retard its worsening, and if it is become severe, how to heartfully restore the core to normal status.